Hi everyone, in today's video I have this small portable speaker amplifier. Actually here is just one board, here is another, but here are the connectors and a button. I will explain in this video more things about it, and if I will speak wrong, sorry my English for yeah, my English is bad sometimes. Here I have this board, and the other part of it is located the amplifier, and here I have this LED, red LED. This is indicating this speaker is charging. For it have a battery, and another blue one, and that one is for Bluetooth connection, but now I will use wired connection for it's a little bit better. This is a cable from my subwoofer, from my Alpine subwoofer. Actually I'm not using this as main. Actually it's wired to this, for normally my subwoofer is wired on this amplifier, but now I will use this and this crappy speaker, of course, for this is all the thing I need for this amplifier. Well, from what I know, this amplifier is designed for 4 ohms and something around 3 watts, but I don't know if this is actually true, or it can get a lot of bigger power, a lot of more power, I don't know. Actually here I have a potentiometer to increase or decrease the volume. Here I have the actual connector, but the battery on it is not the original battery, it's a Chinese battery, and it is almost fucked, so it don't charge too well, and every time I use this I need to use it while charging, but actually I don't use this a lot, so it's not a problem, it's not such a big deal. Actually sometimes I just use this. Actually I don't have original housing for this shit speaker. Here the white wires are negative terminals from the amplifier, and the red ones are positive, but as you can see this here is cut it, and the speakers from both channel goes into this, and the actual problem is this channel from here is fucked and sounds a lot worse than this one, and if I'm using this terminal from here for this channel, it works better for probably something with this negative terminal. So yeah, here I have some controls for Bluetooth. Here is skip song button, and here is another for same sheet, and here is the pause button, but on Bluetooth this speaker have 3 volumes, one from a phone or laptop or something like this, one from these buttons, and one from here, from this potentiometer. As you can see, here is a cardboard box. It is made by me, as you can see here. Actually this is a button to directly on battery, so the board don't get every time power from battery. For this is all the original button for the speaker to turn it off or on, but actually it sometimes don't work, so I leave it actually every time on power on mode, and when I want to turn this off I will just take off this cable from here is micro USB and turn off this button to stop the connection from the battery. Okay, now let's get started and make a small sound test with this. For this time I'm using my laptop. As I said, now it's my subwoofer is also wired to this, so the bass is not from this shit speaker. But the sound is actually from this. As I say, this is not a big deal with it or something special, but I found it and I remember I can do a video with it. I said, it works, but not a big deal. If you use headphones or a decent speaker, you can hear the actual bass. And to make a difference, this sounds without my subwoofer. And this is with the subwoofer. But it's actually impressive for this small amp. Actually, I remember I blown up a small laptop speaker with this amp, and I think this happened before I started this channel. But some of my old experiences with audio speakers or amplifiers were really good content for this channel, but yeah, I started this a little after. Okay, so let's get the second song, for I want longer videos on my channel, so yeah, I think this is a good idea. This is actually a more good bass test. What the fuck was that? Okay, let me unplug it a little to show you the sound on battery. Yeah, probably this was a power issue. This is the sound on battery and this is plugged in now. As you can see, it's a difference, a big difference. It actually is a portable speaker, but it works well on charging. Actually, my connector is ripped a little bit from the board, and sometimes it just disconnects and makes weird sounds, and I don't like that. But I think this actually this amplifier have a little power issue. As you can see here, this part is a power issue. Not every time my board disconnects. Let me see if I can find another song for this video. Actually, a last song with probably more bass, for I have a playlist for this channel with songs. I hope I don't get copyright on it.
Seguro para olvidarme de ella.
This was actually the speaker.
Que no disfruto recuerdos en mi cabeza, las aventuras y las travesuras que hacíamos todo el tiempo. Tú me besabas y me acariciabas, siempre me decías te quiero. Sin miedo, mis compas me dicen ya pasó y que te olvidé, pero yo no puedo. Contigo, pero no niego te extraño, en mi corazón prohibido, pero mi cuerpo quiere acción, siempre en tu casa escondidas de tu alma, hacíamos cosas que no, tú me besabas y me acariciabas, siempre me decías te quiero, en la mano una modelo bebiendo trago sin miedo. Mis compas me dicen ya pasó y que te olvidé, pero yo no puedo.